Hello friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna talk about top 3 fastest Android phones under 20k. So fastest means it should be fast, no lag, and it should have high performance. So there are some basic criteria on which I have selected those smartphones. So number 1, RAM should be at least 6GB or above would be better. Number 2, storage should be at least 128GB. Number 3, RAM type should be at least LPDDR4X, storage type should be at least UFS 2.1 or above is better, and the processor should be Snapdragon 700 series or Dimensity 5G chipsets. Number 6, display should be 120Hz. So in number 3 we have this Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's priced at 16,999 for 6GB and 128GB in India. It has that 120Hz refresh rate in display and also Snapdragon 732G processor. RAM is LPDDR4X and storage type is UFS 2.1. Number 2. So in number 2 we have this Poco X3 Pro, priced at 18,999 for 6GB and 120GB, and it has that 120Hz refresh rate and a heavy high processor Snapdragon 860G. RAM type is LPDDR4X and storage is UFS 2.1. Number 1. So in number 1 we have Realme Nord 30 Pro, priced at 19,999 for 8GB and 128GB. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate and the processor is Dimensity 800U, that's 5G. RAM type is LPDDR4X and storage is 2.1. So guys, these were the 3 fastest Android phones under 20k. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video and share this video with your friends and relatives and anyone, and comment below how was the video and what about the list, and do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified about the videos. Thanks for watching.